Hello, my name is Mark Steklich and today I will show you how easy and fast you can install a FoxHall on your LPG tank and also set it up using the Fox mobile app. What do we need for this? A FoxHall, a smartphone already with a Fox mobile app pre-installed, and also a Phillips screwdriver to be able to mount the two supplied screws, as well as the appropriate adapter for the tank and the supplied magnet. We start by setting up the FoxHall via the Fox mobile app. I open the app on my smartphone and enter my email address, and I am now asked to activate the FoxHall once using the magnet. As shown in the app, I do this at the position indicated on the side of the FoxHall. The display is then activated and the setup is complete. And now we start mounting the FoxHall on the LPG tank. On each LPG tank there is an analog dial gauge which we will now remove. With the help of our modular solution with different adapters, we offer the possibility to install a Rochester Junior with and without a mirror flap, Rochester Senior and SRG Type 705. Today we are completing an installation using an SRG connection. As such, I have also included the appropriate adapter. I will first remove the two screws, I will remove the gauge and then replace it with the matching SRG adapter. In the same way as the gauge, I now assemble it with the two screws in the same position. No, only the FoxHall is missing. We take it and mount it on the adapter. When inserting, pay attention to the grip to fit and follow the marking on the FoxHall. With a slight twist-click movement, it snaps into place and the mounting is now complete. Once the FoxHall is mounted on the tank, I only have to configure the tank correctly in the app. To do this, I read the tank module on the type plate of the tank and select the correct tank model in the app. In this case, it's a tank with 2,750 liters, so I select the tank module accordingly and complete the configuration of the tank. And that's it! The FoxHall installation is now complete. Using the Fox portal or the Fox mobile app, you can now keep an eye on your tank level at any time. Thank you very much.